Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Lenovo laptop. Yes, it won't turn on because the battery is dead. So today we will replace its battery and service it. The model number of this laptop is Lenovo Yoga 530. Let's get started. First, we will unscrew the back panel. Open the back panel using the opener. Disconnect the battery and unscrew it. Connect the new battery to the laptop. Clean the fan with the help of a cleaner. Unscrew all the screws on the heatsink and disconnect the fan. Clean the processor with the help of cotton. Clean the heatsink as well. Cooling paste will be applied to the CPU. Install the heatsink and tighten its screws. Connect the fan as well. Connect the network wire. Connect the battery. Check the laptop by plugging in the power cable. Now you can see that the laptop is still on even after removing the charger. This means the battery is working. After installing the back panel of the laptop, we will tighten its screws. In this way, you can easily replace the battery of any laptop sitting at home. If you need any laptop battery, then contact us. Now you can see that the laptop is working perfectly. Let's meet again till then. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. It inspires me to make new videos in the future. Thank you.